Welcome in this video. Here we will discuss on the format of steering committee meeting SCM or management review meeting. Some organizations refer this meeting as management review meeting MRM and some refer this steering committee meeting SCM. Both names are correct and valid. SCM or MRM number will start from 1 and will end it to last number. For example, if you review your quality management system on 6-month basis, in this case your serial number will start from 1 and will end it to 6 in 3 years. The validity of period of certification. You will be conducting 6 meetings after initial certification till the recertification. Date. You have to describe date on which respective meeting held. Reference number will help you for communication for following up. For example, management representative will remind HR manager regarding technical related point referring reference number 01 and SCM or MRM number 01 dated July 1, 2022. Comments reveal the status of task, follow-up, for example, request to revise target date, work in progress, task completed, and so on. Signature of management representative and date. Minutes communicated and circulated with the signature of management representative and date of circulation. Copies are distributed to all concerned and the chairperson. Now see the preview of this document. In this video, we will also share you the example of the filled format of the quality record steering committee meeting minutes. Please stay with us. I am Syed Muhammad Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel AIMSAT. Kindly press subscribe button and also lightly press the bell icon so that you can get my every new video. Now see the sample of minutes of MRM meeting. MRM or SCM meeting number 01 held on March 24. I am starting from reference number 2. All departments presented their milestones on approved quality objectives and the managing director, although quite satisfied on the performance of quality objective, but he advised to add 2 more quality objectives in each department, one for cost reduction and one for continuous improvement. In our next forthcoming lecture on the topic of quality objective, its monitoring and presentation in MRM, we will also be explaining on how outcomes of each department are being recorded the MRM minute. Outcomes of each department as presented in the steering committee meeting are being recorded by the MRM minute. One participant expressed his opinion that in terms of improvement, team of Ali Engineering Company interested in participation of 5S Kaizen and QCC and other Japanese management system tools and techniques. In this regard, he advised to formulate policy and allocate budget. MD instructed to submit working and budgeted amount required for this fiscal year for his approval. This has also suggested in the meeting to call a special meeting on continuous improvement through these tools. MR also expressed his reservation on calibration of few important measuring devices due to financial constraint. MD has approved budgeted amount and instructed to arrange calibration in 3 different phases and urgently arrange calibration of first phase immediately after this meeting and report accordingly. Participants express their point of view that 5S condition is very poor in the plant and requested to extend ISO audit till the shifting to new plant at AutoZone. MD instructed that our technical team enter into new plant with initial working experience and confidence on maintaining and sustaining ISO 9001-2015 quality management system. MD also emphasized that our objective for attaining ISO certification is to improve our business performance, so staff should focus on continuous quality management, not purposely for sustaining and retaining ISO certification, but for uplift of the company vertically and horizontally. MR recommended that Ali Engineering Company shall now participate in all professional events, and in this regard, MD has given approval for allocating stall in auto show part exhibition in this year. A participant reported that consultant has not yet provided certificate of past training. MR will discuss this matter with consultant. MR confirmed to chair that final certification audit has scheduled tentatively in last March 2022 week of otherwise confirmed in first week of April 2022. MD, Director and all participants are agreed to incorporate Mrs. SGS in company approved supplier list as their official certification body. Other agenda points. In other agenda points, project of new assembly shop discussed and progress found satisfactory in said construction project. HR manager reported that new annual event calendar will be finalized for management approval by this week. Signature of management representative, date of signature and distributed to all participants including the chairperson, I mean the managing director. Now see the preview of this minutes of meeting. Thank you very much for watching this video.